Well, good morning, boys. She's a gong show this morning. We've got Avery down here bundled up. It's a beautiful morning, but it literally, Blair forgot his gun. We had to break into the trailer this morning, and we had to cut willows for the blind. It was fantastic, and when we were walking back to the truck, Latane kills 5 on us. 7? 7. So it's a beautiful morning, though.
And then we just had 9 shots, 2 geese.
2 geese and no kills.
Nothing.
Although I did say that they're quite a ways away. Right at us, fellas. They turned right at us. Go. All right, it is 7:45. We actually were done around what time? 7 o'clock?
Yeah, a couple minutes after.
It was an actual epic hunt this morning. Calamity of Errors. It's not opening day, but it is our first shoot of the year. Trailer was locked. We had to cut the lock off the trailer. One guy forgot his gun. Luckily, we had a backup. The blind needed to be brushed. I think it was just a calamity of errors, but as you can tell by the amount of geese here, it was an epic hunt. Early season geese is always a lot of fun. We've got a 4-man limit in what, about an hour and a half?
Yeah.
And we could have been done a little bit earlier, but when we were late getting the trucks off the field, and a couple of volleys came in, so we could have been done a little earlier. But
I was done. I had my limit by the time you guys got back.
yeah. Actually, Latane did almost have his limit by the time we got back from walking driving the trucks out. Yep. Hunts like this can't happen. A couple of reasons. The landowner has to give you permission and always ask permission. We're about 1.5 miles from Latane's place. You got to thank Latane because he's got the gear and the place to hunt and all that stuff. But it's just always good to be out with friends and enjoy a hunt like this. We didn't get a ton of video of the geese because it was just action-packed and we wanted to keep shooting. We need to bring a non-hunter, fellas, so that we get better video. Anyways, thanks you guys for coming out, and we've got our work cut out for us for the next couple hours to clean birds, but it's all worth it. So, yeah.